Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I need your help. Yep, two things. I need some suggestions of what radio to get to review next. And here is my list of radios that I found on Amazon that I thought might be of interest. So the first one we got here is On-Cheer portable radio, and it has Bluetooth, AM, FM, and shortwave, TF card player, and we go to it here. It's $19 right now, and it is backlit. So it's got a backlit. Nice looking little radio. Of course, it's plastic, yeah. So that's one. Let me go back now. Hey, here's the next one. I actually like this one, so I requested this from Prunus. They have sent me a lot of radios to review, and I'm hoping they'll send me this one. I like the looks of this one. This is AM, FM, and it has two shortwave bands. It's an MP3 player, Bluetooth, and it's got this neat little screen. Pretty good size. So there's the two shortwave bands. Goes from 3.2 to 10, and then from 10 to 22. So if they don't send me one of these, I'll probably buy one. What do you think? Okay, let's go back. This one, I really couldn't believe the price. This is right now, it's on sale for $8. I think I might go ahead and order this one. AM, FM, and weather band. So it's an emergency radio for $8. Wow. Okay, let's go back. Now this one is again from Prunus. I didn't request it. I probably should. I believe Todderbert just reviewed this. He liked it. It's AM, FM, shortwave, MP3 player, and Bluetooth. Now, I reviewed a radio similar to this, an older radio without the solar panel. I just noticed it has a solar panel that Jeff, my good friend Jeff, who loans me radios, brought me that had this rather unique tuning called wheel. Nice looking little radio. The shortwave band is really short, 7.8 to 16. That's really short. Okay. This is another one that's a little different. It's AM, FM, shortwave, Bluetooth speaker, TF card player. It's analog. I'm kind of hooked on digital tuning. This is analog. Shortwave goes from 8 to 16 megahertz. Kind of short again. Got two speakers. The little thing that's misleading on these radios that have two speakers. They call it double loud speakers. Is it never indicates whether it plays stereo or not. You just have to find out. So it's $30. Got a 10% coupon. I don't know. This is a novelty one. AM, FM, Bluetooth, TF card player, solar charging, analog, shortwave, 5.6 to 22. It's a little better. Got a flashlight. Yeah. So it's kind of an emergency radio, although it doesn't have the NOAA weather. It's $19. Yeah, maybe. What do you think? Here is definitely an emergency radio. This has been on my list since July. It's so much like other ones I've gotten. I'll skip that. Here's the Prunus version of a NOAA radio. $9, 23% off. This is the one from Prunus I really would like to get. I've requested this from them a couple of times, and they said, well, they're not doing any specials right now, so they wouldn't send me one. But it's down 10% off. Yeah. Look at this radio. This is a nice radio. It is analog. Got a nice big dial. Shortwave and weather band. Yeah, I still like this radio. Wish they would send me one. Guess I'll have to buy one. $26 and another 10% off. That may go to the top of the list. Okay, see if we got any more left. You got this one. That's $45. It's discounted right now. You pay $38. Well, I reviewed one similar to this, so I don't know. This one is very unique. Got 2 speakers. No AM. That's interesting. This one, I think I will take off my list. It's NOAA AM and FM, but it's $21. That may come off my list. Here's another one by the same company. Yeah, by the same company. $19. This one's been on my list for a long time, July. This one has been on my list for a very long time. It's an Eaton American Red Cross emergency radio with crank charging and lights. I've always liked this radio, but it's always been so expensive. So I'm kind of holding off until they get some kind of deal on that. Maybe they won't. And the last one, which I've showed you before, this is AM, FM, shortwave. What I liked about this radio, let me show it to you, is it comes with a large solar panel, and it's very similar to many other radios with all these multiple shortwave bands. But like I say, it's got a bigger solar panel, and I'd like to find out how well this panel works compared to the emergency radios with the little tiny solar panel built into the radio or attached to the back, which really don't do a very good job. They work, they don't do a very good job. Okay, the second thing, oh no, I don't know what that, oh, something's not working there. Okay, the second thing I wanted to show you, this is my Amazon store. Now, if you don't know what an Amazon store is for an individual, it's a web page on Amazon that you can host things that you want to promote that are sold on Amazon. So you're dealing with Amazon. This is just a page for you to click on these various items and go to it. And if you decide, and these are all of my videos too that I've done for Amazon, if you decide to buy one of these things, then I get a small commission. And I use that small commission to buy things like I showed you a few minutes ago. That's how it works. You can see I've done a lot of videos for Amazon, put a lot of things in my store, both radio and non-radio. So you can click on any one of these items. I'll just pick one here. And there's the video. There's the product down there. And like I say, if you buy it, I get a commission. They dropped the commissions down. It used to be 4% and up. Now it's 4% and down. So the funding I'm getting from Amazon has been cut in half, basically. So if you'd use my store, I'd appreciate it. Also, if you go to my Amazon store and then you go to any other places on Amazon outside my store, I still get a commission. And I've still got a silver status for my store sales until December 31st. And then they audit me again, decide whether they're going to give me a silver status. And if the status means you will get a higher commission. So the highest, of course, is a gold, I think, might be a platinum. So I'm only at silver. So that's why my commissions are only 4% or less, usually less. Okay, thank you. Back to here. Any of these videos you'd like me to get with my commissions, I can get them. A review for you, I'd be glad to. Like I say, I really want to get this one. Now, I've tried at least 3 times to get Prunus to send me this one, and they won't send it to me. So I guess I'll have to buy it. And it's on sale right now. So unless I get a higher priority that you guys request, I like this one too, then I'll probably get this one next. There's, tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for being around. I love your support. I need your support. Bye-bye.